Hey everyone, I'm here today with a toddler Amazon favorites. These are things that we use every day. They're amazing. They're things that I have just loved for toddlers. Lincoln just turned 1 year old and then Olivia is 4. Some of these things, well, we use them for both actually. Some of them we use for both our 4-year-old and our 1-year-old. So I can't wait to share with you some of my Amazon favorites. I think I need to start doing more of these Amazon videos because I buy so much fun stuff off Amazon and I always forget to share it. So I'm gonna share these with you. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button before you leave and let's jump right into my Amazon toddler must-haves. So I have a few other Amazon favorites already on my channel, so I'll link them throughout the video, but I've done quite a few. This one is strictly towards toddlers and everyday things that we use with our toddlers. So this first thing, I have been buying these since Lincoln was not swaddled anymore. So once we stopped swaddling him and he had free arms, I bought these because the house is in our room. Some run really warm, some run really cool. And I wanted to make sure that he stayed, the perfect temp. So these are by the brand Hudson Baby. I have bought this in so many sizes. Lincoln is a very big baby. He just turned 1-year-old, but he is already in the 18 to 24 month sleep sacks, and he has been for a while. I like to have a couple of these because then I can rotate them, as I wash them. So it's a really nice, lighter quilted material. So if his room is getting really cold, I'll put on a sleeveless sleep sack over this. But in the summer, this is gonna be great for him to just have this one, and it's pretty big. So when I'm telling you he's a big kid and he's gonna outgrow this probably before he's 18 months, I'm telling you he's a big kid. So this one's cute. It has little moose prints on there. So it has just the zipper. I put him in here in his PJs. I have probably 4 prints now. So I got a bigger one of the moose because I had the 12-month moose ones and he outgrew that. And then I just got in the teddy bear ones. And then I think we have woodland animals or something like that. And then we have the football one. So we have quite a few of them. Soft. They're really easy to clean. The inside is exceptionally soft and nice. And so anyways, these are wonderful sleep sacks. If you have little ones who have transitioned out of being swaddled but aren't quite ready to have a pillow and a blanket in their crib yet, those are a really great sleep sack to try. The rest is all for all food related. So feeding our little babies. So the first thing are these bibs, and I discovered these with Lincoln. I had different ones with Liv, but I really like these ones. These are by the brand Tiny Twinkle, and they have the little pouch, very easy to clean. I also can put these in my washing machine to do an extra good clean. They have a Velcro in the back, but what I love about them is they have this little piece here so it stays. So when they're wearing it, it's not flipping up all over the place where, the one that just goes around their neck. If it didn't have this piece, this can flip all over the place. So it just really helps it stay in place, helps him to not rip it off, and it goes under his little arm so he can't take it off, where the one that just goes around the neck is really easy to take off. This one is not. Comes in a bunch of colors. I have, I think, a rusty orange color, and I love these. Next, I had these with Liv, and I bought them again with Lincoln. They're these little toppers that go on any kind of pouches, applesauce or the little fruit and veggie pouches. You screw it on, and that way if they squeeze it, it's not going to go flying all over the place. And then it also has a cap, so it's really great for on the go because you can stick it in your bag. It's not going to get all over the place. And then you just pop the lid off, and then it's a silicone tip. They're very easy to clean, and you just pop these right on top of any kind of squeezy pouch. It's fit every single squeezy pouch I've ever used. So it's really easy, really nice. They come in a bunch of colors. Some of them even come with little cases to put them in. So if you're taking them in your diaper bag or something, they have a little case, but these are a must. Lincoln, when we started giving him solid foods, I got a bunch of these and I really like them. 1, it's silicone so he can chew on it. 2, it has these little slots here. So if you, oh, there we go. It has these little slots. So if you're feeding him mashed potatoes or mashed up avocado or banana, rice, you could basically, he can just jam this in there, and then it goes into these little slots, and then he can eat it that way. He can also chew on it. So it's just a really nice, easy thing that kept him entertained in his high chair. Also like helped teach him how to like stick a spoon or a utensil into food and then eat it. So this was really nice. And I still like sometimes if I'm trying to like cook or whatever, I'll just give him this and he'll just, you know, chew on it and be entertained at his high chair. So this one is by Upward Baby. They have a bunch of colors. Again, it's really great to teach them how to, you know, use utensils. This is from the brand Mushi. I think almost everything else is from this brand Mushi. I love it. So this is so funny. So Ethan is 8 years older than Liv, and I had all of Ethan's little plates and stuff from when he was like 2 or 3 years old. So finally I decided, okay, we got to get rid of those. Let's get all new plates because we're going to have Lincoln, and then, you know, we're going to get a lot of use out of them. Clearly I used Ethan's for a really long time. So I got rid of all of my old like trucks and dinosaurs plates, all of that, and bought all really cute ones that, you know, were aesthetically pleasing because that's just how I am. So I got these Mushi little snack cups. I've owned other ones before. I think Munchkins makes one, and I never liked the Munchkins one. It's kind of like a thick plastic, and it was always getting like, it was always hurting Liv's hand, or it was getting jammed. I just didn't really love it. So when I saw these, I was like, I have to have them. I have 3 different colors. Liv will use these, but she doesn't really need them because she's pretty good at like eating out of a little goldfish bag or whatever. But for Lincoln, these are great. It's easy for him to hold, and it's really easy for him to get his hand in there and grab the like little snack. And this is a really soft silicone, so it's not as pokey as like the Munchkin ones are. It's also very easy to clean, and I can clean it in the dishwasher, and so I really like these. Again, they come in a bunch of different colors. It's easy for him to hold, easy for him to get the snacks. I mean, just like with any snack thing, if he goes like this or he sticks his hand, they're gonna spill out. But for the most part, he does pretty good about putting his hand in, grabbing a snack. So these ones are really great if you're looking for a little like on-the-go snack cup or a snack cup they could walk around the house with. This is really nice. I went and ended up buying all of their like little plates and stuff. They're a little bit pricey, but they're unbelievably good quality. They've been through the dishwasher many times. We've cut food on them. We've had spaghetti on them. Like, they're holding up. So we have quite a few of the colors. We have the round plates, we have the round bowls, and then we have the square. So these are the plates. Again, I have the round ones and the square ones, but I think they just look so cute and they match really nicely with our plates that we have, especially like when we do big family dinners and stuff. It's nice so she can feel like she has like a fancy plate like us, but she gets to use hers every day. And so like, even though we've cut on it many times with like a sharp knife, they like cutting strawberries or whatever, there's little marks in there, but there's no staining or anything. So for a white plate having like spaghetti and strawberries and stuff, it has not stained. So we have those. We've had these for about over a year now. And then we have the bowls. I have them in pink, I have them in gray, a mustard color, like a darker gray, and this color, and then maybe like a taupe, I can't remember. And then we have the little cups, which Liv loves these cups. She loves drinking milk or water, whatever she wants out of them. And then we got the fork and the spoons. Now I'm giving these to Lincoln, and he's like stabbing his like little food and feeding himself. So that's pretty exciting. They're really easy to use. They're not like a sharp fork, and Liv loves them too. So they like to mix and match their little plates. So all of this little like setware is so cute. And the last 2 things are these little cups that I got. They're silicone. I got these when I was trying to get Lincoln to start drinking through a straw. And so I found some of these and I'm like, they're so cute. Liv also loves them as well. So this one has like a little puppy dog face on it. And then it has a straw. The straw has like this coiled like texture to it. So it helps it be a little less like spill proof. And then on the inside, there is like that little rubber stopper. So I love the color. It has little handles. It's like fairly, you know, drip resistant, but it's definitely not spill proof. But if your kids are past the age where they're throwing stuff off of their high chair, this would work plenty fine. It's like the perfect amount of little liquid for them. This is by Top Gomez, maybe? I don't know. And then the last one, this, I don't know who makes these, but there was a bunch of different colors of these too. They're so cute. They look like, I don't know, the little like silicone Stanley cups or something. So this one is just like a kind of bone colored. And this one that doesn't have the stopper, but again, if you have kids like maybe in the 2, 3, 4-year-old range who don't throw stuff off high chairs, these are gonna be great. These are also microwave safe, dishwasher safe, BPA free. That's what that one says. So they're just super cute. So if you are like into aesthetic with your baby foodware, dinnerware, servingware, dishware, I think that's the word I'm looking for. I think you will love these. All of them will be linked down below. That's all I'm gonna include in today's toddler favorites from Amazon. I will make sure to do a bunch more because I have a bunch of really cute workout clothes coming in. So I will do a try on haul and show those coming up soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the notification. And let me know some of your favorite baby must-have products that you like to get off Amazon. Leave them down below and I'll see you guys in the next one.